Good morning children, welcome back to our economic class. In the previous class we have discussed about the golden rules of national income accounting and also investment, depreciation, etc. Today we are going to study about some other important concepts in national income accounting. They are factor cost and market price, national income and domestic income, net factor income from abroad, and also net indirect taxes. So let's watch the video. Chapter 2 National Income Accounting Basic Concept of Macroeconomics. First we will discuss about domestic product and national product. So we have already learned about domestic territory and normal resident. This concept will help us to clarify the distinction between domestic product and national product. Let us first consider domestic product or domestic income. Domestic product is defined as the money value of all the final goods and services produced by all the enterprises located within the domestic territory of a country during a year. It has gross value and also net value. Gross value of domestic product is known as GDP, gross domestic product, and net value of domestic product is known as NDP, net domestic product. In the next class, we will discuss about this concept in detail. Here, both citizens of a country as well as foreign nations are included in this concept as they have participated in the production of goods within the territory of a country in the accounting year. For example, various MNCs that includes Indian MNCs and foreign MNCs like Honda Motors, PepsiCo, Hindustan Unilever Limited, Tata Motors, etc. produce their product in India is a part of domestic product of India. But whatever is produced by Indians within the territory of the USA is a part of domestic product of the USA and not that of India. Then the next concept is national product or national income. National product refers to the amount of final goods and services produced by the normal residents of a country, whether operating within the domestic territory of a country or outside the domestic territory. To find national product of India, we add the income generated by Indians from abroad in domestic income and deduct the income generated by foreign nations from our country. So the national product or national income can be calculated by domestic product or domestic income plus factor income received from abroad minus factor income paid to abroad. So factor income from abroad minus factor income paid to abroad is known as net factor income from abroad, NFIA or NFIFA. In other words, we add net factor income from abroad to domestic product in order to get national income. Students, note that the national product or national income of a country will be more than domestic product if NFIA is positive. That is, factor income from abroad is greater than factor income paid to abroad. Otherwise, if factor income from abroad is less than factor income paid to abroad, national product or national income will be less than domestic product or domestic income. Then what is the major difference of national income and domestic income? That is, national product of a country can be generated anywhere in the world, whereas domestic product is concerned with all production in the domestic territory of a country. Then, now we can move to next topic, that is market price, factor cost and net indirect tax. So first we will discuss about factor cost. We had learned about 4 factors of production. What are they? Land, labor, capital and enterprises. These factors are combined together to the process of production of goods and services. The income generated by these factors of production in the form of rent, wage, interest and profit is called factor cost. In other words, factor cost is the total amount which the producer had to invest in production of goods and commodity. It doesn't include any taxes imposed on final goods. Then the next concept is market price. The market price is a price at which goods and commodities are sold to final consumer. This price is decided by keeping cost of production, storage, package, then transport, etc. Hence, market price decided is also inclusive of various taxes on the product and the subsidies offered by the government. Then, market price is equal to factor cost plus production taxes minus production subsidies. For example, if factor cost of a pen is 20 rupees, the government imposes 4 rupees per unit tax and also government provides subsidy of 2 rupees per unit of pen. Then the market price would be 20 plus 4 minus 2, that is 22 rupee is the market price of that pen. Then this may get estimate value of goods at market price. So income at market price is equal to income at factor cost plus net indirect tax. Then income at factor cost can be calculated by income at market price minus net indirect tax. So what is net indirect tax? Net indirect tax is equal to indirect tax, that is GST, excise duty, etc. minus subsidies that provided by government. Subsidies are also known as economic assistance. So what is the difference between factor cost and market price? Factor cost is the total amount which the producer had to invest in production of a goods and services, and it does not include any taxes imposed on the final product, and market price is the final cost at which the producer sells the goods to consumer, and these are inclusive of all the applicable taxes, and further the final price is decided by also keeping the subsidies offered by the government. So these are the basic concepts related to national income. What are the basic concepts related to national income accounting? Different types of goods and services, domestic territory of a country, normal resident, net investment, gross investment, depreciation, domestic income and national income, net factor income from abroad, market price and factor cost, and also net indirect taxes and golden rules of national income accounting. You have to study all these concepts today itself, because in the next class we will start national income aggregates and measurement of national income. For understanding this, you should have a thorough knowledge about the basic concepts. So that was today's section. Children, watch the URL, attend the test paper and download your notes. Be safe at home and study well. Children, bye.